This is where I see the future for our entire housing stock. A renovation wave is heading towards the housing industry. Our main priorities are the EU's climate targets and national targets in Germany. 35 million buildings are affected in the EU. This represents 15% of the EU's total building stock. The targets need to be met by 2030. The legislation makes it relatively clear that homes and buildings that do not comply will have to be taken off the rental market. That's why we're doing our utmost to refurbish these homes by 2030. There are uncertainties around planning in general. Many building owners no longer have the relevant as-built drawings, and this is the work that no architect likes doing. I don't know of anyone who enjoys carrying out building surveys. They would take 2 people 4 weeks to complete. Calculating quantities always takes time. It's a topic that comes up time and time again in every conversation at every residential construction company. We need solutions that will really streamline the processes. Sto digitizes every aspect of the survey, calculating surface areas, quantities, dimensions, and, most importantly for us, comes up with design proposals. I attend the site with the façade scanner and circulate the building 3 times. Back in the office, I set up the project and work continues in the background. Well, we've got to be open too. We've got to say, yes, we're working with a third party. We're working with Sto, but we have every confidence that this is a good solution. You scan the entire thing and we end up with a 3D model. First of all, we get an assessment straight away in the form of a 3D model that can be shown to everyone. Secondly, the surface areas and quantities have been calculated for us. This gives us certainty with regard to costs and generally creates planning certainty. We get a full picture of the building and are able to deliver something no one else can. We can rely on you and you're a great support, not only in our role as architects, but also in our capacity as building owners. This is where I see the future for our entire housing stock.